Indian industry were very lax at implementing safety standards in their machines or in their factories. This was primarily due to the prohibitive cost of imported equipments and the lack of good quality Indian equivalents available to them. This is Ranjit Kambil, Director of Orbital Mekatronik Systems. Orbital design, develop and manufacture in-house, locally made safety products. So we started with the safety light curtains, and these we are very proud to say are qualified to the highest standards in the world, the category 4, the SIL 3 and PLE. To complete the range, we have added the safety laser scanners, the safety interlock switches, the safety switches and various other safety devices in our product line. Orbital Mekatronik Systems was started in 2017 with a vision to offer Indian customers Indian-made, high quality, meeting international standards, safety and automation products and solutions. I would like to invite you all to come and have a look at our stall, hall number 6, K6 K13, and see the display that we have put up for these range of safety and automation products.